You know what's funny? Everyone in America keeps asking the same question. Bro, just tell me which is the best credit card. But here's the truth. No one tells you there is no single best card. Every credit card is designed to be the best in its own category. And this is exactly where most Americans lose $1,500, $2,000 a year. Section 1. Why no card is hasho. Think about it. Do you travel a lot? Then a travel card will beat everything. Do you spend more on groceries? Then a rewards card wins. Pay rent every month? Then none of these matter. You need a rent-focused card. Most people lose money because they use the wrong card for their lifestyle. And credit card companies love that. Section 2. Luxury cards. $450, $695 fees. Let's start with the heavy hitters. The luxury cards that people think are expensive, but actually save thousands if used right. 1. American Express Platinum, the premium travel beast. Centurion Lounge plus Priority Pass. $200 airline credit. $240 digital entertainment credit. Hilton and Marriott Gold status. 5x flights. Best for people who fly often want comfort, lounges, upgrades, and premium perks. 2 Chase Sapphire Reserve, the best overall travel value. $300 annual travel credit. Priority Pass. 1.5x point redemption boost. Elite travel insurance. Best for people who travel a few times a year and want maximum value. Section 3. Mid-tier cards. $200, $300 fees. Now let's talk about the cards that most Americans should actually consider. American Express Gold, the food and grocery king. 4x dining. 4x supermarkets. $120 Uber Cash. $120 dining credit. Best for families, couples, anyone spending big on food and groceries. Chase Sapphire Preferred America's favorite beginner travel card. Big welcome bonus. 2x travel and dining. Strong travel insurance. Low annual fee. Best for beginners switching from a debit card to a real reward system. Section 4. Low fee and no fee cards. $0-$100 fees. These are perfect if you want rewards without paying big fees. Chase Freedom Unlimited, the cashback starter. 1.5% unlimited cashback. 3% dinings. 3% drugstores. No annual fee. Bilt MasterCard, the rent winner. Pay rent with 0 fee, so earn points on rent. Travel transfer partners. Best for anyone paying rent in the U.S. Huge money saver. Section 5. Final truth. So, stop asking, which card is the best? Instead, ask, which card is best for my lifestyle? Because that's how the top 10% save $3,000, $5,000 a year, while everyone else loses money. Outro. If you want to see the exact 3-card setup that gives you maximum value, check out my full video. And remember, credit cards aren't dangerous. Using the wrong card is. Subscribe for more smart money tips.